In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend the Google Meet time limit effectively and make sure your meetings run smoothly without interruptions. Let's dive right in. First, you want to navigate to your trusted companion, Google Calendar. If you're not already familiar, Google Calendar serves as a hub for scheduling everything from daily activities to professional meetings, and it's effortless to use. Open your browser and go to Google Calendar. Here, you'll see all your scheduled events neatly laid out. Find the particular Google Meet meeting that you're looking to extend. Once you've located your meeting, click on it to reveal the meeting details. In these details, there should be a button labeled Join with Google Meet. Click on that button to enter your meeting space. When you've entered the meeting, you're greeted by the familiar interface with which we've all become quite accustomed. It's the window where communication happens and collaboration thrives. Now click Join Now to officially enter the meeting. There might be a situation where your Google Meet has officially ended and you're left looking to continue. You have a couple of options available to you. Firstly, you can go back to the primary Google Meet screen. Here you'll see the option New Meeting. Clicking this gives you a few choices, and for maximum efficiency, select Start an Instant Meeting. This immediately launches a new meeting where you can invite participants and continue your discussion seamlessly. For another approach, we go back to the trusted Google Calendar. Here, you can schedule a series of Google meetings for the entire day. This option is particularly beneficial if you foresee long discussions or just need continued connectivity with your team. Instead of worrying about an impending time limit, setting up multiple meets feature keeps you covered as you transition from one segment of your meeting to the next. By utilizing these methods, you're virtually removing the constraints imposed by standard meeting times. Implement those strategies in your everyday workflow to foster unhindered, flowing discussions without the stress brought on by time limitations. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to extending your Google Meet time limit. This ensures that your meetings are not only productive, but uninterrupted, offering you and your team the flexibility to focus on what really matters. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more useful tips.